Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to build desktop applications in Rust. Now as we know, Rust is a very fast and memory efficient language, so we can utilize all the benefits of Rust as a language while developing our desktop applications for a fast and very memory efficient applications. So let's get started. First of all, move to your cargo terminal file, and here we'll add a dependency which is Druid with the latest version for developing desktop applications. And back to our main. So today we'll be developing a basic application with a text box, a button and a label, and whatever the user types and presses submit, we'll just show it on the screen. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll quickly add our app state. So we'll just say struct app state and input as string and display text as string. And here we will just derive clone data and lens. Once we have this, we'll create our widget and then we'll have our main window. So we'll just say fn UI builder, and here we'll just say impl widget and app state. So once you have this, we'll first of all add a text box. So we'll just say let text box new with placeholder, and we'll type the placeholder as, let's say, type here. You can add anything you want, and then there are different other properties that you can set, but I'll just set width as well. So let's say 300, and then we'll pass the app state dot input text. Similarly, we'll add a label. So we'll just say let label and label new, and here we'll pass data app state env and env, and then we will say format, and here we'll just add your input, and let's say the input is app state or data dot display text dot clone, and after this we will just add a padding as well of 10.0. so this is our label. Now let's go ahead and add a button. So we'll say let button new, and submit is the name of the button, and then we can add the event on click cdx data and mutable app state and env, and then here we will go ahead and perform our operation. So we'll just say data dot display text is equals to data dot input dot clone. Actually this should be input because we have input as name, and then we'll just say flex column to add our widget with child. So the first child that we want to add is a text box, then we want to have a spacer of, let's say, 10.0, then we want to add another child which is a button, then we again want to add a spacer with spacer that is 10.0, and then we want to add a other child which is the label. So this is our UI, and now let's go ahead and create our window to render this UI. So we'll just quickly say let main window, and then we'll say window description new UI builder, and title as, let's say, basic application beta, for example. You can add any name that you want, and then we have to pass the window size, so we'll just pass size as, let's say, 980.0 dot 520.0 as the width, height and width, and then we'll add an initial state, app state. Let's initialize our initial state as input text as string new, and display as string new, and then we just go ahead and launch our application. So we'll say app launcher with window and pass the main window, launch, pass the initial state, and then expect failed to launch application. That's pretty much all that we need to add our first Rust application and then launch it. Now let's go ahead and test it. So just open your terminal, and here we will just do cargo run, and the application is up. So there you can see the window is launched, and now here we can type anything. So let's say I am typing as hello world, and then we press submit, and there you go, the text is updated, the label. And similarly, if I change it to I removed it, or subscribe to semicolon, that you guys don't do, so please subscribe. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys understand this basic concept of how to build this desktop applications using Rust. And if you do, please like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and also the library or the dependency that we added, you can just explore around, and feel free to drop your comments. I'll check you guys in the next video.